Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Precious, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys an update on the Vanda orchids that I acquired and potted recently. So come along with me and let's go see how they're doing. Welcome back guys. So here I have the Vandas, as you can see, and first I must tell you that when they were potted, I placed them in a section of my garden where they got very little sunlight because I wanted the plants, the rooting system of the plant, I wanted the plants to develop strong, healthy roots. Alright, so I put them in a section where they were getting just minimal amount of sunlight. Yesterday now, they have developed some strong, healthy roots, and so yesterday I decided to relocate them to another section of my garden where they are now getting the afternoon sunlight, because I'm now in the process of acclimatizing these Vandas. And I'm going to be giving you a close-up view of the roots, the healthy roots that have formed on these Vandas since they were potted in November. Look at this one. This one has it's holding on to the pot, as you can see right here. And I think I am satisfied with the roots that the Vandas have given me, so I'm going to be giving them their first dose of fertilizer today. And I'll be doing that in a few minutes. And I'm going to be keeping them in this spot for a couple of months, perhaps for another 2 or 3 months, before I eventually introduce them to full sunlight. And by that time they would have given me lots and lots more roots. So I'm going to be giving them some fertilizer now. And this is my Miracle Grow Liquid Feed fertilizer. The water pressure is low, but nonetheless, and it's on feed, as you can see here guys, so it's actually getting the fertilizer mixed with the water, so it's on feed right here. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel at Precious Blooms Jamaica, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Precious Blooms JA. Thank you again for watching. Until next time, see you soon.